Welcome guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair these EONO earphones with your iPhone. So to do this, first of all, we have to click and hold this middle button and wait until this indicator, it will be located above this volume button, start blinking blue and red quickly. So let's do this right now. Click and hold this button and take a look for this indicator. As you can see right now, it's blinking. I'm not sure if you can see that because it's it's a really small indicator. It's just right here in this place. So we have to go to the Bluetooth settings on our iPhone, turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and as you can see, they appears on the list. So select them by tapping once. And as you can see right now, we are successfully connected. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.